Hello everyone. So today we will see the installation process for Visual Studio Code and also see how to install the necessary extensions for the C program. So to start, first go in any browser. I am using Chrome browser, so I will use it. It's personally up to you. So then type Visual Studio Code download. Go on the first link. It's the official link. Now if you are on Windows, then you need to download the Windows user installer 64-bit 32-bit. It depends on your PC. For me it's 64-bit, so I'll download the 64-bit installer. As you can see now, the setup is starting to get downloaded, so I'll meet you after it is downloaded. So now as you can see, the setup has downloaded. So then again let's go to the browser and type mingw64 sourceforge. Go on the first site sourceforge.net, then go to the files and scroll down and find the install.exe file, online installer. As you will click on it, the download will start after 5 seconds, so wait for 5 seconds. It's only 938 KB file, so it will be very quick depending on your internet. So now let's install both these setups. So first let us install VS Code setup. So double click on it, click on I accept the agreement. If you want to read this agreement, you can read. Check all the 4 options, and if you want you can also create desktop icon. For me it was not required, so I am not creating it. So now as you can see, the installation will start. It is very fast depending on your PC specifications. The speed may vary. I am not launching it at the moment, so I will click on finish. And now let's install mingw64. Do not change any of the settings, keep it as it is and click on next. Click on next and the installation will start. Guys, this installation is very large, the file is very large, so it may take up to 5 to 10 minutes depending on your PC specifications. After it is complete, then click on next and finish. So now there is one step which you need to follow very clearly. So go to C drive, program files, then find the folder mingw. If your installation is correct, you will see this file here. Then go to this folder mingw32 and in it go to bin and find the gcc.exe. Now you need to copy the path of this, so you need to click on that drop down menu button and copy the address given here. Now go to this PC and right click on it, go to properties, advanced system settings, click on environment variables. In advanced, double click on the path option. Now click on new and paste the address here. Click OK. Close all the dialog box by clicking on OK. Now go to Visual Studio Code app. Here you can see this is the introduction. It will help you navigate through some of the extensions. If you need to install some extensions, you can, but they are only recommendations. The basic extensions are installed by us. So now you can see new file, select a language, and if you do not see any errors here, then you are good to go. You need to install one extension. You need to type C++, and you will see this extension. I am reinstalling it. It's only 1.5 MB. So now you are good to go. Thank you.